Is using a treadmill with an arc filter in a bedroom safe if other things are plugged in ETD ceiling fan? The treadmill was tripping the brake before I purchased the arc filter from the company that sold me the treadmill.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. Replacing the breaker with an Afci offer better protection, but if it corrected the problem, I suspect the original breaker was the problem.
The breaker for the bedroom is an acfi breaker. Using the treadmill was tripping the breaker, so I purchased an wall-mounted arc filter so that the acfi would not trip, and we don't have to have a cord running across our room. I just want to make sure using the treadmill with this arc filter does not pose a danger on the acfi breaker. Also, can I turn on the TV or ceiling fan while the treadmill is on?
An Afci, either a breaker or a device, senses an arcing condition on a circuit. The arcing is caused by a loose wire connection. The purpose is to trip before allowing the arcing to cause damage to the device, wiring, and possibly cause a fire. The bigger the load, the more arcing. I would suggest checking every outlet on the circuit and correct the issue. Most times the arcing on a circuit is caused by pushback connections of wires. All wires should be terminated with screws.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. I bought a treadmill and I put it in my bedroom and it was tripping the acfi breaker. I called the company and they said treadmill tend to do this and offered me a wall-mounted arc filter. They said if I use this it will prevent the acfi breaker from tripping. I want to make sure this is safe, and if so, can I use as other outlets in the room, for example watch TV while I run?
If the seller said the machine creates an arcing and requires alternate protection of a filter, then it is acceptable. Using other outlets on the circuit should not be a concern.
Essentially, I can use the treadmill and watch TV.
Yes, you may.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.